Welcome to our step-by-step guide on effectively maintaining and optimizing your irrigation system. Let's dive into the process of properly flushing caps and lines for optimal performance. Start by locating the point flush caps in the plant area. Once identified, proceed to flush the lines. Using a ring, gently raise the riser to access the flush cap. Rotate the cap counterclockwise to remove it. Now, insert a filter into the opening, and then install the nozzle by turning it clockwise until it's securely in place. This ensures a clean and precise watering process. To customize your irrigation system, take advantage of the nozzle's flexibility. Turn the stem to adjust the spraying direction, directing water exactly where it's needed. Fine-tune your setup by adjusting the threaded collar to achieve the watering pattern that suits your specific needs. With these simple yet crucial steps, you'll ensure your irrigation system operates at its best, promoting healthy plant growth and efficient water distribution.